Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to pin a conversation on the X app. If you use Messages often and want to keep your most important chats right where you can see them, pinning is the perfect way to stay organized. Let's dive in step by step so you can do it quickly and easily. First, open the X app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. This is where everything begins. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see several icons, and among them is the message icon. Go ahead and tap on it. That will take you directly into your inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Now scroll through your messages until you spot the chat you want to pin. This could be a close friend, a group conversation you keep active, or any person you message regularly. Once you've found it, press and hold down on that conversation. After holding for a moment, you'll see some options appear. Among those options, select the one that says Pin Conversation. By doing this, the chat will jump straight to the top of your inbox, no matter how many other messages you receive. It's a quick way to make sure your most important conversations never get buried beneath newer ones. From now on, whenever you open your messages, the pinned conversation will always be right at the top, easy to locate at a glance. This helps you save time and ensures you don't miss out on anything essential. If at any point you decide that you no longer want a conversation pinned, the process is just as simple. Long press the same chat again, and you will see the option to unpin it. Once you do that, the conversation will fall back into its normal place in the inbox, based on when the last message was received. And that's it. You've just learned how to pin and unpin conversations on the X app with only a couple of taps. It's a small but powerful feature that keeps your messaging organized and makes your life easier.